actually too afraid to look behind me.
Lucius Jimbo Paranormal Detective.
Solve this murder, Lucia.
Yours will be the million year day.
In the last few days, I've received reports of alien spacecraft in an area 500 miles north of here. 10 minutes ago, I received a phone call indicating that an actual alien, has been seen in the same area, lost in the woods apparently. I'm going there to give aid to this alien. If he's injured, I'm going to give him medical care. If he's hostile, I may have to kill him. This is a weapon that I built myself. It's got many components from alien civilizations all across the universe and from multiple dimensions. I've programmed it, and it will provide me with an offensive and a defensive capability against just about any alien. I am now leaving to see if I can capture the alien alive. But if he is hostile, I will kill him. I'm in the middle of a vast swamp, and I'm searching for an alien life form. And today, I've got Booger with me. Booger, sit. Sit, Booger! That's my landlord's dog. And maybe Booger help me find the alien. He may be lost. And this is a huge swamp. Disoriented, on a strange world, unable to find food or comfort. Come on, Booger, now you find that alien. Come on, there you go. Find that alien. I think Booger's got the scent. Yep, I think Booger's got the scent. Now don't lead me into some kind of 20 feet of cold, freezing water. It is cold. And Booger, once Booger's on the scent, doesn't care. Ouch! That hurt. Thanks a lot, Booger. Jesus. All right, come on. Come on. Find the alien. Yep. The dog's excited. What you got? What you smelling? What you smelling, Booger? Yeah, look at Booger. Okay. Oh, Booger is on the scent for sure. What you got? What you got? What'd you find there, Booger? Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I found that alien. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I think I found an alien. Oh. I believe we found our alien. This is astonishing. Booger, what are you doing? Booger, are you eating the alien? So he travels 1 trillion miles to get to our planet. 1,000,000 years, only to become a dog toy. This is amazing. Look at this. Yeah. This is brain. I'd say This is definitely an alien. We're not talking about NASA or the Russians here. Unless, of course, they've started putting their astronauts' brains in fish bowls. Look at that. Look at the creases on that. The more creases, the higher the level of intelligence. This boy must have been a real Einstein. There's little flashing lights on this too. I wonder if it's some kind of defensive system. This boy's gonna blow me to smithereens. This is astonishing. I think I come upon a new kind of dog food. If enough of these guys crash here. Does Mr. Alien taste good, Booger? Okay, Booger, I think that's enough. You know, that's kind of disrespectful. He may be an alien, but I think he is deserving of some kind of respect. This is just absolutely amazing. What's going on here? Would you mind? Do you have to be eating away at the alien? While I'm trying to analyze this situation. This is a scientific thing going on here. Go. Is that all you can think about is your stomach? I wonder what these devices are. These little lights. Probably some kind of defensive system. Okay, you found the alien. You're getting your reward, but come on, like I'm trying to analyze the situation here. This is astounding. He must have undergone some kind of terrific trauma. This helmet has burn marks and is melted and warped all to hell. I'd say this alien was in some kind of horrendous battle. By the look of him, he came out the loser. The brain is very, very badly damaged. It looks like it's started to get all frothy. Must have really gotten baked. I think we're talking about tremendously high temperatures. The helmet withstood a tremendous attack. It's been damaged, but it's retained its integrity. I would say the heat inside the helmet must have been absolutely horrendous. That's probably what killed him. Okay. I think the alien's family would be really upset if they were to see this. Booger, Booger, pay attention. That's enough. Here, give me this. It's appalling.
I should have known that alien meat would be rotten with radioactivity.
That Booger's been feeling too well lately. A little bit of hair loss. Well, her turds are glowing. The backyard looks like a high altitude photograph of New York City at night, with the turds glowing the way they do. But I'm giving Booger some pills, and hopefully that'll deal with the problem. Meanwhile, the vet bills are pretty substantial. I guess I should start paying my rent. Oh well, over and out.
Lucius! The kids are going to vaporize you!
How does a story continue when the protagonist has been vaporized?